back down. Oh no! Your distal joints are collapsing! Not a dreaded squishy knuckle. There you go. And how many sets of 2 black keys did you find on the whole piano?
7.
Correct. Now would you please find the highest set of 3 black keys?
7 also. I already circled it. That's how I know.
So could you find the highest?
Actually, that's not how I know. I just remember.
You just remembered. Well, could you find the highest set of 3 black keys and play? Oh no! What? Oh, much better. Much better. Now find the lowest. Nope, find the lowest.
Oh my
Way
god.
at the bottom. Oh no! Oh, I thought you forgot. Remember to lead with your wrist each time. Leave this one here.
I know.
Oh, so don't lead with your elbow. Lead with your wrist. There you go. Head back down. Ah! I spotted some squishy knuckles on you.
Yeah, there's not another
And
one.
now you can give yourself 2 thumbs up because that was a great job. And then you can push the square. See the square?
Bye-bye, video.